What is up, everyone? I'm so excited to show you this gluten-free, vegan, creamy garlic zucchini soup recipe that is so amazing and you will love it. To a large pot, add in 4 tablespoons of minced garlic and then add in a half onion that has been diced. Turn your stovetop on to a medium-high heat and go ahead and start adding 4 tablespoons of water and mix it, and make sure you cook the onions and garlic. Do not burn your garlic. Keep mixing it until your onions look transparent or cooked. After you cooked your onions and garlic, go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Now add in 2 large zucchinis that have been cut up in quarters or in the same shape. It doesn't really matter how you cut it as long as they're the same shape. Now add in 3 cups of vegetable stock, 1 cup of fresh kale, a half tablespoon of black pepper. Now go ahead and give it a little bit of a mix and turn your stove to a high temperature on your stove top and bring this all to a rapid boil. And as soon as you see it become a boil, go ahead and reduce the heat down to a simmer and set a timer on your oven for about 25 minutes. After the timer goes off, go ahead and turn the stove top off and start scooping all your soup into the blender. And start blending your soup on a low speed for about a couple minutes long until all the chunks have dissolved and it comes to a puree. Now pour your soup puree right back into the same pot that you used to cook your soup in and add in a half cup of cooled down coconut milk because you do not want to eat this soup hot. We're aiming for a lukewarm, cool temperature for your soup. Now go ahead and start mixing your soup together to blend the creamy coconut in with your soup puree. It smells super good and delicious. And go ahead and let that cool down for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And go ahead and go straight to a bowl and start serving it into a bowl. Garnish it with fresh chives because it tastes absolutely delicious with some fresh chives as a garnish. And serve it to your family and friends and enjoy this. If you have any questions, leave it in my Instagram or Facebook fan page, and I'll be so happy to answer any questions you may have for me. Bye-bye.